small bowl, stir the envelope of gelatin into 3 tablespoons of water. Set aside for about 5 minutes. In a medium-sized saucepan, bring sugar and water to a boil. Stir to dissolve the sugar, then add the cranberries. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer over medium-low heat, covered with a lid, for about 10 minutes or until the cranberries burst. Stir the gelatin, lemon juice, and cinnamon into the cooked cranberries and place the saucepan in the refrigerator to cool slightly. Diced celery, apple, and walnuts deliver a surprising, crisp texture and new flavors to this holiday side dish. Combine the cranberries with the celery mixture and place in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to cool completely. And enjoy the way it deliciously captivates your Thanksgiving guests.